Hello, today I'm going to talk about a femboard, our supplement tea. Femboard. We see that a femboard is making waves in the health of the woman, and that makes some people call it the gospel for women. Before I proceed, the Bible says in Psalm 104, verse 4, that the Lord causeth the grass to grow for the cattle and herbs for the service of men. So, God has given us these herbs, fruit-bearing plants, to use as food as well as our medicine. So, why is this femboard, this tea, so special? It is because it is made up of 9 different ingredients that are combined in one. So the synergy of it is great. In this series, we'll be talking on the different components. Today I will talk about 2 of the components, mullein and the vitis berry. So all these come together, these 9 ingredients come together to enhance the efficacy of the tea, of the supplement tea. So if you don't know it, know the different work that it does in your body. You might just look at it and just turn your eye. No, this is not a supplement that you turn your eye on. If you're a woman, you want to look beautiful, you don't want wrinkles. Many people don't want to get old, they want to get younger. This is your friend. Are you there as a young girl that is going through periodical pains, menstrual pain, or even a woman of childbearing age? Some people still have menstrual dysmenorrhea that is really nasty. So this should be your friend. And many people are telling us, sharing testimonials of what he's doing, because they are herb plants. When you take them in, they either work to correct what is wrong in the body or make other metabolites that will do the work. So it depends on how your body interacts with them, reacts with them. That is the result you'll be having. So first we have the mullein. Mullein is a herb that is native to Europe and Asia. And studies are revealing that it has some active ingredients. One, it has saponins. Saponins are anti-inflammatory. We have flavonoids. Flavonoids work in us as the anti-stress, antioxidants that help to reduce the oxidative stress that we're going through day in and day out. Also, it has antimicrobial activity, antibacterial, antiviral. So it can help you to ward off infections. Now, that is the reason why some people are coming to tell us that when they have infection, after using the tea, everything got resolved. That's good. The next herb I want to talk about is the vitis berry. This is a berry, and it's a hormone balancing herb. It has active ingredients that help to balance the hormones of the woman, and that is why it's very good from puberty onto postmenopausal. So, you as a woman of childbearing age, you need this to help you balance your hormone, because we see imbalance can result in problems in child bearing to having a successful pregnancy. So it is premenstrual symptoms and also dysmenorrhea. For women that are in their prime of childbearing age, it helps regulate the cycle. Some people, because of irregularity of their period, it's difficult to have a pregnancy as well. So this balances the hormone and regulates your monthly flow. Some have too heavy, some have too scanty, some don't have at all. So this vital berry, that is the job to balance all this for you. And also, some studies says it have ability to act on fibroids. No wonder many people are giving testimony of how they got their fibroid melted and removed just naturally without going through surgery. So I stop there today. Those two ingredients, if you are a young girl, if you are a woman childbearing age, you need this. If you are a woman that is going through menopause, all those hot flushes, mood swings, heat, some just cold, another moment hot, sleeplessness, all those things of the menopausal woman and postmenopausal, these vital berry help you to correct them. You want your well-being to be the top-notch. Fernwood is your friend. So grab your own. Whether you have any condition at all that you want to treat, it doesn't matter. But you want to live healthy and stay younger, grab your own. There will be a link below. Click on that link and buy your own today. I strongly agree as well that the result of a breakthrough pregnancy that we're having testimonial of waiting couples for so long years that are now, they use this product and they are having successful pregnancies now. This vital berry will be one of the reasons that is helping you, because it's treating infection, it's removing fibroids, regulating their monthly periods, and balancing